Hey guys, so we've just stopped at a lookout in Manzanita, overlooking Manzanita.
Yeah, there should be some whales down below here, so we're gonna see that and see what the view looks like.
We're on our way to head down to Tillamook. We're gonna go to the Tillamook Cheese Factory. It's delicious. I go there every time I'm in Oregon. Yeah. So yeah.
And the sun's out today and it's actually pretty nice. The wind's not too windy, so it's actually a pretty nice day to do some sightseeing. Anyway, we'll see what we see today.
So we recommend leaving Cannon Beach and then driving down the coast towards Manzanita. We usually stop in at a really great coffee shop. I think it's called the Manzanita Coffee Co. And I usually get their chai, or their Oregon chai, which is absolutely fantastic. So check it out, and then right at the end of the road is the ocean, so you can go for a little stroll. So this is actually the beach of Manzanita behind me, and then as you can see up the hill, that's where we came down from. There's a lookout up at the very far point, and then you'll come down into Manzanita. And again, it's a lovely sunny day today, so we're quite lucky. We finally made it to Tillamook, so we're gonna go inside and see what there is. So we're at the viewing area at Tillamook. So this, I'm sure, is where they process all the milk.
Separate the milk and the cheese.
Swiss has holes in it. Yummy. Look at the cheese curds. Squeaky cheese. Got some. Tillamook Stumptown Cold Brew Coffee. Oregon Marionberry Cheesecake. Look at all these different ones. Yum. So I just picked up some delicious ice cream. I chose the Caramel Toffee Crunch, and it is fabulous. This is a single scoop and it's really big. But we've had fun. So good. It was a lot, but I'm just about done. It's busy in here. How was it? Good?
Chocolatey fudge with nuts.
Chocolate fudge.
Chocolatey fudge with nuts.
Good. So if you guys are in Oregon, try to come to Tillamook Cheese Factory. You can drive one of these awesome cars. Yeah, baby. So if you guys are in Oregon, I highly recommend trying to stop in and check out the Tillamook Cheese Factory. Grab yourself some cheese and some ice cream. It's absolutely delicious.
Thank you.